Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm excited to share with you the top 3 apps that were absolute lifesavers during my time in law school. These apps kept me organized, productive and on top of my game. If you're a law student or even just looking for some useful tools, keep watching to discover these fantastic apps. First up is Notion, an all-in-one workspace that revolutionized the way I organized my law school life. Notion allowed me to create custom databases for class notes, case briefs, and research materials. Its flexibility made it easy to restructure information in a way that suited my needs, from keeping track of deadlines to collaborating with study groups. Notion became my digital companion throughout law school. Next on the list is the trusty Google Calendar. This app was my holy grail for time management. Law school can be overwhelming with classes, assignments, and extracurricular activities, but Google Calendar kept me on track. I color-coded my schedule for different subjects and set reminders for deadlines. Additionally, Google Calendar's integration with other apps made it seamless to stay updated across all my devices. Last but not least, let's talk about OneDrive. As a law student, you accumulate vast amounts of documents, case files, and research papers. OneDrive's cloud storage was a game changer in keeping my files safe and accessible from anywhere. It offered peace of mind knowing that even if my laptop crashed, my important files were securely stored in the cloud. To recap, these are the top 3 apps that helped me survive law school. Notion, the ultimate all-in-one workspace for organizing class notes, case briefs, and research materials. Google Calendar, my go-to tool for effective time management and staying on top of my hectic schedule. Number 3, OneDrive, a reliable cloud storage solution to keep my law school files safe and easily accessible from any device. Before we conclude, let's quickly go through the key takeaways from each app. Notion, customize your digital workspace to suit your law school needs, making organization a breeze. Google Calendar, master time management by color-coding your schedule and setting reminders for important tasks. OneDrive, keep your valuable law school files secure and accessible with the convenience of cloud storage. There you have it, my top 3 apps that helped me successfully navigate law school. Whether you're a student or a professional, I highly recommend giving Notion, Google Calendar, and OneDrive a try. If you have other favorite apps that save you during your studies, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.